Hi everyone. So what is IELTS? IELTS means International English Language Testing System. So it is basically testing your 4 language skills. And what are those? They are the listening, reading, writing and speaking. So that is whether you are able to understand in that language, whether someone is speaking, a native speaker is speaking and you are able to understand in that language. That is testing your listening part. Then comes the second part, that is the reading part, whether you are able to understand while reading that language. Then comes the writing part, are you able to write in that language? And finally there comes the speaking part, whether you are able to communicate in that language with the native speaker. So that is basically IELTS. The IELTS listening part. So in this test, a 30 minutes audio will be given to you, and in that 2 native speakers will be speaking to each other, and alongside you will be solving an answer sheet in which you have to hear the audio and understand what they're speaking and write down the answers accordingly. So that is basically the IELTS listening part. The IELTS reading. So IELTS reading in the so we have it is different in the case of general and academic. Let me tell you something about the academic side. So 3 passages will be given to you and almost 40 questions will be given to you as well. So on 40 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ we have to answer it from the 3 passages that is given to you. Don't worry, and all these passages are for non-specialized audiences. So we have to divide our time and we have to write this 40 questions in the IELTS reading part. The IELTS writing. So the writing test is totally of 1 hour. ഒരു മണിക്കൂറിൻ്റെ ടെസ്റ്റിൽ it is divided into 2 parts, that is the 20 minutes test as well as the 40 minutes test. In the 20 minutes test you have to write it in more than 150 plus words, and the 40 minutes test you have to write it in more than 250 plus words. So that is basically the IELTS writing part. The IELTS speaking. So the test is basically between 11 to 14 minutes. So in this test, an IELTS certified examiner will be interacting with you, and based on the interactions you will be awarded with a score, and that is IELTS speaking test. So this is basically the IELTS examination. The IELTS examination, as I told earlier, it is International English Language Testing System. So how do someone test whether you know a language or not? By testing your 4 skills, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. So like I told earlier, this will be the method in which the IELTS examinations will be conducted, by assessing your listening ability, your reading ability, your writing ability as well as the speaking ability.